Hi everyone, my name is Nas. I have a Etsy shop with the name Sewing Panda Patterns where I sell digital sewing patterns. I'll leave the link in the description box, please do check it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stitch this dress. Start with tracing lines on the right side of the fabric with 1 centimeter gap except on the top. Leave 3 centimeters on the top and fold the top hem half centimeter twice and stitch it. As you can see, I have finished the top hem and pressed it. Before start shirring, make sure to try on leftover fabric. For shirring, adjust the tension dial to 5 and stitch length 3.5. Now hand wind the elastic thread on the bobbin with a little bit of tension, but not too tight. Start our first row of shirring by stitching alongside of top hem. Secure the threads with a back stitch on both start and end point and make sure to keep stitching line straight. Once you have completed front bodies, repeat the shirring process on the back bodies. Trim the excess from the sides and join both front and back with the right sides facing together. Pin it and stitch with 1 centimeter seam allowance. For making straps, fold the fabric half in lengthwise with the right sides facing together. Pin it along the edge and stitch it with 1 centimeter seam allowance. Repeat the same with the remaining 3 straps. Now turn the straps right side by pulling the fabric, but it is time consuming process. So you can use this technique as I'm showing. I hope you like it. For this I'm using a big size needle. Make a knot at the edge and then insert the needle from the seam between two layers, then pull the fabric and press it. Now I'm going to attach the straps on marking. For this, tuck the fabric inside and pin it, then stitch it. Now coming to the skirt part, join side seam with the leaving slit length, pin it and stitch it with 1 cm seam allowance. Now fold the slit twice with a 1/2 cm, pin it and stitch it. As you can see, I have pressed the seam and slit. Now fold the skirt bottom hem twice with a 1/2 cm and stitch. The final step, attach the bodice to the skirt. There is a mark on the pattern. There you have to attach the skirt seam or slit to the bodice and stitch it with a 1.25 cm seam allowance. If you find little bit extra width of the skirt, just make a small gather and stitch it. Now the dress is ready to wear. I hope you like it. See you with the next pattern. Till then, bye.